Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus package and stimulus check update. A lot of good news here today I want to get to in just 1 second, but please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down, leave your comments. I'd love to hear from you. A little update on my wife. As you know, she was supposed to come home today. Well, she didn't. She got bad again. Having trouble breathing, a lot of pain. Excuse me. So the doctor decided to keep her today and watch her. And tomorrow morning, if she's feeling any pain at all or having any trouble breathing at all, she will stay the weekend and come home Monday. I talked to her last night, as you know, and she sounded great. Talked to her this morning, she can hardly breathe. So we'll have to see where this goes. And just as soon as she gets home, and after a couple of days, after she gets adjusted, I'm gonna try to get her on the show so she can talk to you herself. Okay, this is just breaking today. Steve Mnuchin said the payroll tax cut will not be in the base bill, but he did say they are planning a rollout of other bills. He hinted towards CARES Act 5.0. Remember the other day when I said they can take stuff out and get it passed? That's basically what they're doing. He also said the first part of it is going to be all about getting more money into the people's pockets first. He said the payroll tax cut is a very good pro-growth policy, but it's getting money to the people over time. The president is focused on getting money into the pockets of people now. Ain't it funny how election works? Mnuchin also said the next round of stimulus checks will go out in August. So it looks like the Senate and the House are now working together. It's about time. Now, don't y'all remember a while back Mooch McConnell saying there won't be another stimulus package after this one? Y'all, I look at all of this as very good news. The stimulus checks are coming in August, and they're looking at getting more money into the people's pockets first. So they're going to take care of us first. And there will be more PPP money also, but it's going to go just to the businesses that had a 50% drop in business from this month last year, month to month, 50% drop. So it won't be all businesses that gets it. So that's going to more target that. Y'all, as more things break, I will come back and let you know about it. Things are heating up now, so it's going to be more, but there'll be shorter videos. Y'all, please keep my wife in your prayers, and just know I love you all, and we will get out of this, and this is all very good. So ciao for now.